Let's solve a problem which appeared in JEE Mains 2021. In this question, we have been given that P and Q are two positive integers such that P plus Q equals to 2 and P raised to the power 4 plus Q raised to the power 4 is 272. And then P and Q are the roots of this equation. So we need to find out for which this P and Q would be the roots. So if you see P plus Q as in the sum of the roots, you would be able to see that all the four options are actually valid. So that is one. And then I think what we need to figure out is that P into Q. Only if we figure out P into Q, then we'll be able to see which of these options will be working for us, right? So our intention is to find P into Q. So what has been given to us is P plus Q and then this, right? So let's try finding out how to get P into Q. So if I look at P raised to the power 4 plus Q raised to the power 4, so one thing which I can do is I can write this as P square plus Q square whole squared minus 2P square Q square, right? So what I've done here is that I have used this identity A plus B whole square minus 2AB will be A square plus B square. So here I've used P square plus Q square, all right? Now I can again make use of this P square plus Q square using this. What I can write this as similar way. I could write it as P plus Q whole squared minus 2PQ. And then this would be actually whole squared, right? Now I'm getting something in terms of PQ, which is what I was after. So we will see what we will get. So P raised to the power 4 plus Q raised to the power 4 will be 272. And here this will be P plus Q whole square will become 4. And this will become 2PQ whole squared. And this is minus 2P squared Q square. So we will have to go ahead and then square it. So this will become 16 plus this will become 4 P square Q square, and then 4 to the 8 to the 16. So 16 PQ and minus 2P square Q square, right? So now what do we get here? 272 is also coming from this side. Now we get 4P square Q square and 2P square Q square, which becomes 2P square Q square. And then this becomes minus 16 PQ and then plus 16 and this comes this side. So 16 minus 272 equals to 0. Now I'll simplify this further. This will become 2P square Q square minus 16PQ and this will become minus 1266 and then 615. So this will become 256. Now I can take 2 common from here and then make this as P square Q square and then this will become 8PQ and this will become minus 128. So this is a quadratic in PQ. Now I can know that I can factorize it and then this will be 16 into 8, right? I could say that this is P square Q square minus 16PQ plus 8PQ minus 128 equals to 0. Now from here, I can take PQ common. This will become PQ minus 16. From here, I can take 8 common. This will become PQ minus 16. And then what do I get finally is PQ minus 16. And then this will become PQ plus 8. So from here, what do I get? PQ equals to either 16 or minus 8. But minus 8 can't be the case because P and Q are both positive integers, right? So their product can't be negative. So I've got the product of the roots as 16. So which is of this option is actually having the product of the root as 16. So this is the one, right? So this is what is my answer. So this is x square plus sum of the roots plus product of the roots equals to 0. And that is what is my answer then. Okay, x square minus alpha plus beta into x. So I could say that again, if you want to write x minus p plus q into x plus pq equals to 0. And then you can say that x square minus p plus q is 2x plus p into q is 16 equals to 0, right? So that is what is your answer. All right. So if you have any questions, please do ask me in the comment section below and I'll be really happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.